Hi guys, it is tbonepearson here with my daughter Ella, yes, and we are going to make some monster puppets. So I have an idea for what I want to do. So I have a show called Spell Fury. It's a fantasy show. Watch it. It's on Amazon Prime. Season 2 is, and Season 1 I think. Anyways, so we went to the Dollar Plus store. This episode is brought to you by Dollarama. No, I wish. But that's where I go to get my puppet stuff. And I brought Ella with me. And so
Bird beak.
We're thinking of making some type of bird creature, so we paid $2 for that, right?
And we paid something for the little mini one.
And we have mini ones as well. So that's one. And then she got these pretty feathers right there. Okay, here, I'm just gonna interject. Here's my idea. I'm making a creature. This is a spoiler for Spell Fury. It's gonna be flying around the show. And it's gonna be called like a feather jaw or a feather shark. And it is a cute little flying thing that you wanna pet, but then when you do, it has shark teeth and it will try to bite you. So we think it'll be funny to have them flying around the actors and go, oh, cute little thing. Rah! Are they cool? Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, she said, okay. Let's keep going through the stuff here. You pull out some things. Oh, I bought these, guys. We bought 3 of these. These are like $2.50 each. So I'm thinking maybe to make some type of
feather.
We have feathers. We were thinking making birds.
More feathers.
And those would be the beak.
More feathers. Ooh, look how cool these are.
Yeah, these are cool feathers we found.
More cool feathers.
Designer print feathers. And
eyeballs.
They've been painted, which is cool.
Eyeballs.
Yeah, these are little eyeballs. So we have lots of stuff here, guys.
And humongous eyeballs.
We've got duct tape and this and that.
And weird
paints.
hangers that Daddy got. Why? We have hair in here. Like weird model hairs. Like.
Oh, yeah. We bought
hair.
We also went to another dollar store and they don't get a product placement. So we bought these extensions maybe to throw on there. Say hi, Ella.
Hi.
So this is her design.
I'm still working on the words.
Still working on the words. And Emmy, say hi, Emmy.
Hi.
Look up here. And then show what you're working on.
This is my owl.
She's making an owl, and I've changed my design here. So instead of just being sort of generic, we have a lot of feathers. So I thought I'd make it more owlish. And I like these eyes.
Look at mine, Ella.
So I've got these. I'm gonna paint these. And yeah, let them dry. Okay, so I painted these yellow, these balls. I put safety pins. And I'm just holding them in this Kleenex box so they'll dry. And then I might do one more coat. I'm trying to make the eyes look like that. And then Emmy's got one of these balls here, and she's bouncing a ball for some reason.
This is the head.
And Sophie has joined us.
This is.
Ooh, here, turn it towards the camera so we can see it properly.
Can't do it.
That's fine. And we've got Sophie's is down there, and then there's more designs down there. Okay, so I just cut this out of a Pampers box. Sorry, Huggies. This episode is brought to you by Huggies Pull-Ups Training Pants. No, it's not. Okay, so this is I'm making the mouth with the teeth. Now this is a different owl, but I like how the teeth could be hidden under those feathers along there. So it could be hidden. And so you just think it has a little mouth, and it doesn't. It has a huge chompy mouth. So I have to do this, but I have to curve this. And then my hand will operate the teeth like that. So anyways, yeah, I just use some scissors. Oh, and we have a system where we're putting safety pins into the balls so we can paint them. And Sophie's doing that too. And they're in there, still drying. Okay guys, so I'm trying to make the curvature of the mouth. So I'm gonna use this hanger, and then I'm gonna use the hot glue gun I bought. It's in there somewhere. and attach it on there so I have control over the shape of the mouth. And she is using the massive scissors. Careful, keep away from Sophie, please. Back away.
I'm trying.
No, stop.
Beside
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Forget it. Okay, anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So we're gonna make some monster puppets. Please follow along and we'll show you the end results. Do you guys like making puppets? I do. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we will show you our monster puppets when they're done.